In this video, we're going to show you how to cure and store concrete cube samples. As long as the concrete is capable to be remixed, the samples can be transported off-site provided they are protected against dehydration. To prevent dehydration, cover the samples with a damp cloth and polythene. Store the samples in a room with a temperature of 20 degrees plus or minus 5. The cubes should be stored in the moulds for at least 16 hours but no longer than 3 days. You can then demold the samples. Clearly mark the samples to ensure traceability for testing. Immediately after demolding, the samples must be cured in water at a temperature of 20 degrees plus or minus 2. When reassembling the moulds, ensure these are assembled correctly and lightly oiled and ready for use.